The footage you are about to see highlights the growing role of drones on the modern battlefield. According to Ukrainian sources, drone operators detected Russian personnel moving through open terrain. With little natural cover available, every movement became visible from above. What follows demonstrates how rapidly the battlefield can change once aerial surveillance identifies a target. Drone crews continued to track the movement of Russian troops, maintaining visual contact and relaying information in real time. As the operators adjusted their positions and prepared for engagement, the soldiers on the ground attempted to move toward cover. But in many areas of the front line, concealment has become increasingly difficult. Trees, damaged structures, and terrain features that once provided protection are now constantly monitored by aerial reconnaissance systems. Military analysts have repeatedly noted that drones have transformed warfare, making it far more dangerous for troops operating in exposed positions. The footage shows the precision and coordination that have become hallmarks of modern drone operations. From detection to target tracking, every stage is supported by technology and trained operators working together. In another sequence, a military vehicle is spotted moving along a rural road. Drone operators quickly focus their attention on the target, gathering information and monitoring its route. What was once a relatively safe movement behind the front lines can now be observed from kilometers away. The increasing presence of drones has significantly reduced the ability of military units to move unnoticed. Both reconnaissance and strike drones have become some of the most influential tools on today's battlefield. Military experts describe the conflict as one of the first large-scale wars, where unmanned systems play a central role in nearly every operation. For soldiers on the ground, the constant possibility of being observed from above creates enormous psychological pressure. Many troops must now assume that aerial surveillance may be present at any moment. This has forced commanders to adapt tactics, movement patterns, and defensive positions. The footage also highlights the speed at which information travels across the battlefield. Once a target is identified, operators can rapidly share coordinates and maintain continuous observation. As a result, reaction times have become shorter and opportunities for concealment more limited. Supporters of Ukraine often point to these operations as evidence of the country's growing drone capabilities and technological innovation. Ukrainian drone units continue to play a significant role in reconnaissance, force protection, and battlefield awareness. The scenes shown in this video offer a glimpse into a conflict increasingly shaped by technology, precision, and information. They also serve as a reminder of how dramatically warfare has changed in the 21st century. What once depended primarily on artillery, armor, and manpower is now increasingly influenced by cameras, sensors, software, and unmanned aircraft. And as drone technology continues to evolve, its impact on the battlefield is likely to grow even further.